In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo tool, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. Either way, you need to find and hold one of your pictures that you wish to delete. Select those type of icons at the top right corners and hit delete at the bottom. To keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones and then hit delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!